Hey everyone, Eric with Wracking, and I've got 19 trucks that I've got to ship. And here's the most stressful thing. If you're doing any kind of custom work and you're putting it through any type of shipping service, there's always the danger that something's going to arrive broken or messed up or something. You just can't control what happens once it leaves your door, but you can control everything ahead of that, which is what I'm going to show you today. So I've got 19 of these. I've already shipped one off because since I had 20 of these total to do, I thought I'm going to ship one that's completed and what I think is the best representation of what my client wants to them. They can evaluate it and then make adjustments down the road, which is why I have 19 left. Okay, so the best way to do that is to ship everything a box in a box, and I'm going to show you how I do that to ensure, I'm going to do everything I can to ensure that these trucks arrive without any broken parts and that the client is satisfied. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to get started. All right. So what we have here is a Regional B rate box. You can get them for free at USPS.com. And this is my preferred way to package about any truck. So if I'm doing a single truck, I'll just cut the box down to a dimension, and then I will go ahead and then cut it to the size of the truck I need. So, but for this purpose, I'm going to use the entire length of the box because I'm going to put two trucks in here side by side. So basically, if you measure up 3 inches, make a mark. And where I'm measuring from is the seam right here where the fold begins. So 3 inches is just a little taller than the trucks that I'm shipping. And if you have like something with really long exhaust, you may have to adjust how tall this dimension is depending on the size of the truck that you're shipping. Just using an X-Acto knife here to score, then cut the truck, or the box, not the truck, what am I thinking? Okay. What I'm going to do is cut from the other side. Okay, so I've cut from both ends, and both ends have this self-adhesive tape in here. So that's the ends, but we have all this we can use yet as well. And this is about 10 inches total, so I'm basically just going to cut this in half. Okay? So we'll cut one at 5 and 5. Okay, there is no seam here to fold this cardboard, right? So we're going to have to make something where we have to score the outside of the box so we can make the fold for the bottom of our new box. So we said that we were measuring 3 inches, right? Is the tall part of our box. So I'm going to measure 3 inches on both sides of the box so we can score both sides of the box. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 marks. Now on this one, we're not going to cut all the way through the cardboard. We're merely going to score the box, and I'll show you why that is in just a moment. See? Just scoring the box, and I didn't follow that very straight, but that'll be okay. All right. Now we're ready to make the folds. We'll have to cut the corners up to our score line. Okay, now we've cut all the flaps here, so now we can begin bending the cardboard in, and it should break right there on our score line. like so. Then we'll just tape the outside. There, now our box is made. So this box is going to go in another box. Okay, to pack the actual truck, here's what I'm going to do. This is bubble wrap that's already been pre-perforated, so it's easy to cut. I'm going to wrap this in following the triangle. I'll fold the ends down like so, and then I'm setting it in the box. At this moment, I'm not taking time to go ahead and tape this all down. You can, of course. I'm not going to, because I'm going to put other packing material inside this so it doesn't bounce around. Okay, now we have 2 trucks inside of our box. I'm using this packing material so the trucks don't jostle around. That's when they get broken while they're in transit. At the same time, you don't want to pack them so tight that you're stuffing material in there that actually breaks the vehicle or parts of the vehicle while you're putting it in the box. Okay, so I'm trying to get this packing material here level with the top because I'm going to stack these inside my other box. There, these aren't moving around. Then, the final step will be sticking them in the box that they will ride in. I'll go ahead and take some of this material and put it on the ends, taking up all that space so these boxes don't jostle around inside the bigger box. And I may have to do 2 of these in an effort to get all the trucks there at one time. So any vehicle that is delicate and you don't want broken parts to arrive, this is the best way I've found to ship those products. Put them in a box, then in another box with packing material around the second box. So that has been pretty foolproof for me getting vehicles there undamaged, and I've shipped a ton of different products from my area out to the world and have had a lot of good luck. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment box. Don't forget to check out the diecastlab.com for all your tutorials, all your A to Z learning on diecast trucks, how to make them into awesome memories and awesome products. See ya.